Hello world, here is BITI, your Bitcoin trading informant. And here is the daily update about our altcoins, what's going on with Ethereum, Litecoin, Bitcoin, XLM, ADA, BNB, IOTA, and last but not least, XRP. So let's start with Ethereum. I have a video out there for Ethereum. The big target for Ethereum is momently $2,600. It's the breakout of this triangle. We're momently breaking out the triangle. It's perfectly, and you see it here. This was a perfect hit on this line here, 1944. No confirmed closing candle here. This is the 1 hour chart, and now it's going down a little bit, but everything is looking fine here for Ethereum for this breakout to the upside to $2,600. That's a really nice target, and everything momently is looking good here for Ethereum. The MACD is not so good. It's going down a little bit. We have the blue line under the brown line. That's bearish. We are buying some red candles here. Okay, for the short term, for the 1 hour chart, that's not the best thing. But we broke our 0.786 Fibonacci line at 1,884. And that's a very cool sign, guys, for Ethereum for breaking out here. We have to watch at this upgoing channel here. It's very important because this channel maybe will be retouched here on the middle line. It's also the 1,786 0.786 Fibonacci line. Sorry, it's at 1,884. That's the next thing we have to watch. We may retest it for a big pump here from the upside, but it's looking really good for Ethereum. So here is Litecoin. Litecoin is also pumping very nice to the upside. The most altcoins are momently going really nice to the upside, pumping here. And Litecoin also, we see the ribbon band here as a good working support momently. We are momently on this 1 hour chart fighting in the ribbon band, but it's holding. Yes, we have a fresh sell signal here. That's not so good. And yes, we are under the middle line. That's not so perfect, but we have here the EMA 200 as a support, and we may retest here this uptrend channel at 192. Again, it's possible. MACD is bearish. The blue line is under the brown line, but all in all, it's not the baddest thing here for Litecoin momently. The next thing is here Bitcoin. I have a very big video out there for Bitcoin. Please watch this. Here is XLM. What's going on with XLM? XLM also very nice. Broke out from the downtrend, is in a nice uptrend. You can see it here. We have now a sell position for sure, but everything is momently okay. Everything is momently gear for XLM. It's going nicely to the upside. It has some problems with this middle line. It's working momently as a resistance, but look at this here is the ribbon band. Ribbon band is our friend. It's a support momently. EMA 200 from the downside is also a support. So we may come down a little bit. It's okay. You saw here this was the last low at 0.37. We should stay over 0.38. That's this Fibonacci line. As long as we are over this line, everything is okay. We are building here higher highs, and that's a good sign. Here was a high and here was a higher high. That's a good sign. We should watch this, that we are not coming under this, because this would be a lower high and this would lower low. This would be a problem. But for the moment, everything is fine here for XLM. So here we are on ADA. ADA is going sideways. ADA is not looking so good as the other coins here. It's still in the uptrend. Okay, we can move this trend here from here to here. We are still in the uptrend. That's a good thing. But guys, it's not looking so good. We have a ribbon band, a bearish one. We have a sell, a buy. Momently we have a buy, yes, but we have a short here on this ribbon band, and that's a bad thing. We are under 0.382 Fibonacci line at $1.20, and as long as we are under this Fibonacci line, it's not so good. I will wait here, or I would wait here a little bit for trading this ADA. Very important. I'm not a financial advisor. This is not a financial advice. MACD is not so bad. It's going sideways, but the blue line is here always over the brown line. That's not the baddest thing here momently. Let's check here this line. This must be on this point here. So, okay. Yes, that's it. Guys, that's the big point for ADA. We have to watch that. Our big target momently is the middle line, to reach it again at $1.28. or $1.31. This is the next Fibonacci line. If we can break out here to the upside. Momently we are on the bottom of this uptrend, and if someone missed this ADA pump, it's momently not so a bad position here. We are building here, in my opinion, we are building here a very nice bottom, and it's a good thing here to go to the upside with ADA. Next thing here is BNB. Yes, BNB is pumping and pumping and pumping. I have a very nice video out there. I have a target here on my screen for BNB. That's about $444. This target was on $300. I told you that, and I'm very interested to see this $444. You see the blue line is over the brown line, bullish. We are fighting momently at this important resistance line, and we have some problems at this resistance line. Yes, I know, we spiked over it. Now it's going down again. We have the ribbon band under us as a good support, and we have the middle line here also. So this is momently the fight of the fights for BNB. Okay, here is DOT. DOT is also very nice in an uptrend. Everything is okay. Ribbon band is here under us. Ribbon band is our support. EMA 200 is a very nice support. We're going to the upside. Everything is looking nice here. We can make here also Fibonacci line from the upside to the downside, the retracement. And this would look like this here to this point here. So, okay. And you can see the good thing here for DOT, we are over the 7.86 Fibonacci line. That's very good momently for DOT. It's a good support. You can see here to retest, and now it's maybe going to the upside more and more. The big next target is $40, and it's maybe, in my opinion, possible to reach this target. Ribbon band is good. EMA 200 is good. Long position from the downside. MACD is bullish with a blue line. DOT, you're looking really fine here. So the next thing, why I moved DOT, I don't know, sorry. The next thing we have to watch is this here. This is IOTA. IOTA also in a good position on an uptrend. Over the middle line, fresh buy signal here. The EMA 200 as a support, but the fight on this golden pocket line is momently very important. 0.786. It's the Fibonacci line. We have to watch $1.58. We need to fight over this again. Momently we are falling under this. That's not so good. We had a spike over this, falling under this. That's not so nice. 1, 2, 3, I think we had no closing 4-hour candle here on this part, so we have to look at this. Bearish is also the MACD, it's going to the downside here, and the EMA 200 is coming from the downside as a support here for IOTA. All in all, it's not the baddest thing momently for IOTA. And here is XRP, and XRP is going to the upside in a nice channel like this here. Everything is fine. Bearish is the MACD, the blue line is under the brown line. That's not so perfect, but here is our EMA 200 support, and this support should hold here, very important. We have also the support of the downline of the uptrend, the 0.618 Fibonacci line at 54 cents. That's very nice, and still again guys, we need to fight this golden pocket 0.786 Fibonacci line at 60 cents. You see the spike over this, and bam, it's going down again. Now I think in the next move we can fight it back. So guys, that's the big overview of our 9 cryptos here, of our altcoins. Thank you very much for watching. Very important, I'm not a financial advisor. This is not a financial advice. Guys, it doesn't matter if I go long or if I go short. I wish you make millions out there. And this is my live stream you saw here with 9 cryptos. They are always live, 24 hours, 7 days a week. It's named Crypto Trading Informant. And you can watch these signals and all stuff here on Twitch live. Thank you very much. Bye bye. See us tomorrow.